Hauk from Cooking by Moonlight, and today I'm going to show you how to make the perfect mango margarita. To start, we're going to use frozen mango chunks. You can either cut up a fresh one and freeze it, or just buy a bag of frozen mango chunks at the store. To start, we'll need 1.5 cups. And to this, I'm going to add 1.5 cups of water. It's because the mango has such a dense, rich flavor. If you don't add a little bit of water, it's really going to be an overwhelmingly sweet drink. So we'll put that water in. Next comes 1/3 cup of lime juice. Pretty traditional for a margarita. Everybody likes the sour lime. Right in there. I'm going to use a silver tequila here. I think it gives it a really good flavor. So I need 2/3 cup of that. These are by no stretch virgin margaritas. And finally, just a little bit of triple sec. I'm going to use about 2 tablespoons. That might be closer to 1/4 cup, but you know what? These are just going to be really, really delicious margaritas. All right, I'm going to put the lid on and let that blend. I have some ice set off to the side. I have about 1.5 cups, and I'm just going to add that in until it gets to the consistency I want. If you don't want it to be very frozen, you don't need to add any ice in, and it's absolutely perfect as is. But if you do want that kind of slushy feel of a frozen margarita, just slowly add in ice up to about 1.5 cups until you have the texture you want. All right, after it looks like it's about the consistency you want, I encourage you to taste it. Everybody has a slightly different taste, especially for mixed drinks. Since I did want mine just a little bit sweeter, I'm gonna pour in 1/4 cup of sugar. You can really add as much as you like. This is where you just taste and go and make it absolutely your perfect mango margarita. I'm gonna give that one more blend. Give it one more taste just to make sure it really is my perfect mango margarita. That's exactly what I'm looking for. All right, now to pour it into a glass. Today, instead of a traditional salt rim, I'm actually going to use a chili lime seasoning that you can find in the produce aisle or sometimes in the Latin specialties aisle of your grocery store. I think it adds an interesting flavor instead of just the regular old salt. I'm going to take a wet paper towel and wet the edges of my glass so that the salt sticks. And just dunk the rim right in there. You can use salt if you're not a fan of the chili lime stuff or it's too hard to find. I just think it adds something a little special and different to this perfect mango margarita. All right, and I'm just gonna pour that in. So there's the perfect mango margarita. I'm Liz Hauk from Cooking by Moonlight, and this has been how to make the perfect mango margarita. Salud.